Hello guys, welcome to 3M. Let's learn regarding while versus do while. C programming provides us with three loops: while, do while and for. Here, let's find the difference between while and do while. In while, first the condition is evaluated. If it's true, it executes statements inside the block and again goes back to the condition evaluation. If it's false, control comes out of the loop. In do while, first statements are executed irrespective of condition and then condition is evaluated, and if it's true, it goes back and executes those set of statements again. If condition is false, control comes out of the loop. By this, we can call while as a pre-test loop or entry control loop, because we write conditions in the beginning of the loop. Next, we call do while as post-test loop as or exit control loop, as we write the condition at the end. Next, the major thing we need to observe is the semicolon. In do while condition, we place semicolon at the end, but not in while. Next, while loop may run 0 or more times, but in do while it may run more than one time. But at least once. Let's have an example to print 3mm for 3 times in both the loops. Now consider while. Now let's initialize I with 1. Now I is equal to 1, and let's use while loop to print 3mm for 3 times. At first it checks I less than or equal to 3, that is 1 less than or equal to 3. As the condition is true, it prints 3mm for the first time, and then I value is incremented with the help of I++. Now I is equal to 2. Now the control goes back and condition is evaluated. Now 2 less than or equal to 3. Now the condition is true. It enters inside the block and prints 3mm for the second time, and I is incremented again. Now the condition is verified. I less than or equal to 3, that is 3 less than or equal to 3 is true. 3mm is printed for the third time, and then I value gets incremented. Now I is equal to 4. Here the control is again evaluated. Now 4 less than or equal to 3, as it returns false, the control comes out of the block, that is the loop, and you can see the output with the 3mm's. And in do while, first I is initialized with 1, that is I equal to 1, then irrespective of the condition, the control enters into the loop. On seeing do keyword, it prints 3mm for the first time. I value is incremented to 2. The condition is verified, 2 less than or equal to 3. As the condition is true, control goes back to the starting of the loop and prints 3mm again. Now I is incremented, now I is equal to 3. Again condition is verified, that is 3 less than or equal to 3. As the condition is true, control goes back to the starting and prints 3mm again. I further incremented to 4. Now at the end it checks the condition 4 less than or equal to 3. As the condition is false, the control comes out of the loop. Thanks for watching our video. For more videos, do subscribe to our channel 3mm 3 Minutes Master. If you like, hit the like button and bell icon there, and do share with your friends. Don't forget to drop a comment.